How to configure DNS settings on a Brother device. To do this from a web browser, type the IP address of your Brother device in order to access its internal web server. Then type in its admin password and click the login button. From the navigation menu, find and click the network button. Then click the sub-network button. From this menu, click the network interface your Brother device is currently using to communicate with your network. In this example, my Brother device only has a wired interface, so I am clicking the wired button. Some Brother devices have two network interfaces, so it is important that you click the one that is active. From here, click the TCP/IP button. Find and click the Advanced Settings button. Then scroll down the page until you find the DNS section. This drop-down menu has two options, Auto and Static. Auto relies on your network to dynamically assign your Brother device with the correct DNS addresses using DHCP. As the name suggests, the static option lets you manually assign your Brother device with a primary and secondary DNS address. If you selected the static option, these two fields are where you would put the primary and secondary IP addresses. When you are ready, click the Submit button to save your settings. You will then see a Submit OK message to confirm that your changes have been saved. Thank you.